Good morning, Patel Adarsh. Okay, so everyone log into a website to make your attendance. Once you have done with that, please let me know. Okay, good. Like whatever others also, please join fast so we can start our review session. Okay, so I'm presenting my screen. Hope everybody can see me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so actually, I got a mail from Bhavit Shetty that's I was permitted only that. Okay, Shetty, no problem. We'll validate that later. Okay, it will be validated, so don't worry. I understood. Like you was on leave, right? Okay. So another got a mail from Jayananta, which is like he has published the asset. Okay, so we are going directly to the XR lesson creation page. Okay. So yesterday I only got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Only seven students who have uploaded their works. Okay. So okay, just a minute. Only seven students have uploaded their work. But we are gonna validate that first. If anybody is remaining to complete the assignment, like only they have to upload it right now, just they can upload now, or else you'll be getting a lot of time today to complete your assignment that we'll discuss after reviewing these seven assets. So first we'll start with this. Let's see who created this one. Okay, Jayananta itself, low play lesson. Will take a minute to load the right. Okay. Okay, you have fixed the textures. Now it is looking really good. Nice work, Jananda. It's looking really nice now. It's metallic, wooden, and all. Okay, the model wise and the texture wise, it looks really nice. Okay, nice work. Keep it up. So let's move on to the next. Annotation, signboard base. Nice. Signboard holder, signboard. Okay. Now explode. Okay, explode also you did nicely. Now let's start our lesson part. Now
Signage
intro.
is the design or use of signs and symbols to communicate a message. A signage also means signs collectively or being considered as a group. The term signage is documented to have been popularized in 1975 to 1980.
Okay, so it's a nice in protection there. Now let's
This
see.
is the holder of this signboard and it is fixed to base of the sign holder and it will help to hold the
No extra description there. That is fine. Yes. Now
this the base
signboard
of the
base.
signboard and it is the main part of this and it will help to hold all other parts of the signboard.
Okay.
This is the signboard and where we add our messages and advertise.
Okay, that's a nice description, Jiananda. Now let's go for the build. Okay, actually I failed to build that one, but it's okay. You have created it. Nice one. Now let's go for locate. Signboard holder, which is this one. That is also fine. Now identify and put text here. Okay, I think you gave a very less time for that. Okay, but still, it's fine. Just increase the time for that, Jananta, like for the locate option.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so then it will like the user need time to enter the text there, right? So if you're giving very less seconds, it will be hard for them to type that much fast. So just increase the timing of that. That's one suggestion. Now let's go to the quiz. Why signboards are used? Okay, smart. Marketing, advertising, I think all of the above. Okay, I got it right. Now I think one more quiz. What is this? It's a signboard. Now let's start 3D recording. Is the audio clear?
No, sir, there is no audio, sir. It's fine.
Okay, okay. It's better to add some audio. Nothing like a simple thing like this is an ancient signboard. I'm rotating it. Now this part look like this and this part is this. That will be enough. But nice attempt. Okay, nice work, Jananta. It's looking good. Okay.
Thank
The
you, sir.
suggestions which I have told you, like introducing, okay, you do that also. And the 3D recording part, you can speak something. It's not like you have to tell the complete correct thing about it, but nice work, like a nice leader. Now let's move. It's Manikanta. Okay, let's play the lesson. Okay, Manikanta, the texture part, you have to correct it. I think I told you to correct that. Okay, so just unwrap this part and this part also. This part is looking good. This part is also okay, okay. No problem I can see here. So you have to unwrap it again and finish. I think you haven't made any lesson. Okay, so there's nothing to validate in that. No. Let's move. Mithun Mithu play lesson. That also I think you have directly published. Okay, texture wise, it's you have to hide the UVs. I like this part. This part is looking good. I can see the rest, that old kind of feel I'm getting it. Like here, like here, it's looking good. Also for this one. But when it comes to wooden, you also can see this is horizontally you have placed and this is vertically and this also just rotate the UV to 90-degree, then it will be fixed. And I can't see any lesson. Just see the annotation, signboard, sign holder, sign fine. Okay, there's no lesson in this. Okay, it's there. Let's go for build. Just add the intro part also. Then we'll get a feeling that it contains lessons. Okay, so the intro part is important that you have to add. Now next, we'll go for build. I think while exploding, you did a little bit of mistake there. Okay, I think I'll get past. Okay, fine. Okay, that's it. You just added the build. Mithu, you have to add the remaining also, which is quiz, locate, identify. That also you have to add. And 3D recording also you have to speak something. Okay, and add the introduction part also, and try to fix the texture and upload it again. Mine, like I have created yesterday. Wood frame. Who's this? Or let's play your lesson. Students whose lessons are ready, I mean your when your asset is ready to get published, do it right now itself. Then I will validate now. Okay. Mm-hmm. Who was this? Rahul. Why is there an extra piece here? Please delete that. Also, no. Okay, actually, I think it's a old one, I guess. The model only you have made. Okay, that's it. Nothing to validate there also. Mithun, Mithu, you have again uploaded one more. Any changes in this or the same one? Okay, you have had the intro part, I think. Oh, actually, you were like exploring maybe that time. So let's see how it looks. Just rotate the UV, okay? Then it will look fine. Also, make the randomness here. Let's play the
Signage is
intro.
the design or use of signs and symbols to communicate a message. A signage also means signs collectively or being considered as a group. The term signage is documented to
Okay, the intro part is nice. Nicely did. Let's see. Uh, this is a problem. Signboard, signboard, signboard. You have to attach all this. All this you have to attach. It is like a single object now, so that's why the names are showing here. Okay, so attach all these part in one, the same signboard. I'll turn off the annotation. This also next. Okay, signboard.
this is the this is the holder of the signboard.
Okay, a small problem here. It's getting penetrated outside, so just be careful about because this part is rotating and coming out this part. But texture wise, it's looking nice.
This is the base of the signboard.
Okay, now let's go for build. I think this time I will pass. Zoom out. Okay. Okay. I did the same thing now. This is not fair. Now let's go for build. Again, you have added build. There's no need to add two build, just one is enough. Okay, same problem. This should work. Okay, now we'll just go for locate. Ancient signboard, which is this. Okay, this itself is the ancient signboard. Okay, got it correct. Now quiz. Okay, what is this? An ancient signboard. Now 3D recording. Okay, nice one. I think that's it then. 3D recording. Okay, so Mithun, right? The suggestions which I have to fix your UVs first that I already mentioned. After that, then remove one build. There's no need to add two build. Okay, so remove one from them, and remaining is looking okay. No major issues. Then attach all this object to one. I think maybe you have add multiple annotation while creating a lesson. Okay, so remove these external like annotations which is coming like this. Right now I can see three signboard annotations here. So remove these two and just keep one. And also this part you have to fix this part. Okay, there's nothing much to do in this. Just select this much vertex and push it inside, or else select these two elements and drag it down and adjust the top part. Okay, that's the suggestions. Remaining, your attempt was good. Okay, one more thing was there. Okay, finish. Yes. So nice attempt, Mithun. Okay, changes which I have mentioned. Nothing. We already seen this one. Now let's move. Shreyas PV. Okay, let's play Shreyas lesson. Okay, Shreyas, your model wise, texture wise, some problem you can see here. Like it's because of the UV placement. As I told, you have to make it either vertical or either horizontal. Don't mix it like some part horizontal and some part vertical. Then you will see some seams like this here. Also, this part you missed to unwrap. Also, you have to unwrap it again, Shreyas. Then it will look fine. The texture you have picked, I think it's fine. No major issue, but the placement of the UVs you have to concentrate. I can't see any randomness here. Every box is looking like same to same, so do that also. Let's play your lesson.
Signage is the design or use of signs and symbols to communicate a message. A signage also means signs collectively or being considered as a group. The term signage is documented to have been popularized in 1970. 19
Okay, the introduction part is nice. You have added. Now let's see the annotation, signboard holder, signboard base, good. Now move on. Let's go for build. Okay, every time I'm attempting a build, I'm just failing. I don't know. Okay, what is this? Ancient signboard. Signboard base must be this. Mhm. Again, one more quiz. What is this? It's a signboard. Now 3D recording. Finish. Okay. Once more, I'll open. I'll tell you the suggestions. So, yes, Shreyas, you missed one. Locate, identify, or either one of them you have missed. Then suggestions which I have mentioned for the previous students also. Okay, just add some random voice like explaining something like this is an ancient signboard or something related to that. Okay, now I come to know one more issue here. Okay, this is not properly connected. So move this part here, make it then it might work. Also, just do the corrections. Intro part was good. Also, build also good. Is also locate again. Okay, that was good. Then one missed part is like a identify option. So you have to add that like for your reference itself. Okay, and memo also you have to add like if you understood what memo part is, then okay, and explain something, just type something. This is a signboard. It is like used to show the base or just some details here you can say about that. And this is a holder, and this is the base, and you can add some details about it also. Remaining all was fine. Whatever you attempted was good. Okay, so change the UV, just correct the UV. Okay, then fix the model issue a little, then add identify and memos. The rest all was good. Nice work. Let's see if I get any other. No. Let's go to here. One more I got, which was Rahul's. So let's move on to Rahul's work. Okay, Rahul, the UV placements are fine. This part looking good. This part is also looking good. This is also fine. You did the randomness, and I don't know why did you kept that two down. Mhm. Just pull it up, and I think you did smart work here. You have created a box, and you have covered both of the side. Okay, no issues. I can't see any proper texture here. Okay, when it is zooming in, I can see. Okay, the texture wise and the model wise, a little bit correction. The portion issues, nothing else. I'll suggest. Okay, texture wise, it's looking fine. Now let's play your lesson. Signboard, holder, base, and signboard. Okay, nice. Let's.
Signage is the design or use of signs and symbols to communicate a message. A signage also means signs collectively or being considered as a group. Signage is documented to have been popularized in 1975 to 1980.
Okay, the intro part was good. Let's move.
This is the base of this signboard.
Okay,
This is the holder of this signboard. This is the
okay,
signboard.
okay, that was good. Memos was fine. Now let's go for build. Okay, I got it. Okay, the build part was also good. This is the signboard. It's correct. Again, locate. This is the signboard holder. Identify. To type, that was also fine. Now again, identify. This is fine. Board. Okay. Okay, that was also good. One more quiz. What is this? Ancient signboard. Now, quiz number two. Signboard holder. Again, one more quiz. This is signboard base. Now 3D recording.
This is the ancient signboard, and this board is used in the ancient time in the century of 1975 to 1980. It with light and it and is assembled to that was the part. I'm explaining one by one.
Okay,
This one
excellent.
is to be a signboard holder. The part will be This one it will be a board, and this that part that will be a signboard base.
Okay, that was good. Rahul, you have said something about the signboard, which was nice. Then finish.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Rahul, like you have covered all the part and you made it nicely also. Also in the 3D recording section, also you have gave your voice and you made it a little bit more unique. So that was nice. Nice work. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now let's see if I get any other. So nothing new. Okay, I think that's it. I didn't get any other works. Like these are all published. We have validated that. Like from here to here, we have validated. Okay, let's refresh once here also. Let's see if anyone posts. No. So, okay, I got like works from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not 8 students because Mithun have sent me 2 times, and this is mine, and this was like a previous assignment. So we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I got 5 works, 5 lessons I got, and those who attempted, I really appreciated them. Nice work, and those who did it nicely, like Jayananta and Rahul, they have made it like really nicely. Okay, so like Jayananta and Rahul, I'll suggest you to help your friends also to complete their lesson part. Okay, some of them having some doubts like how to add and all. Please help them also. Okay, so those who have attempted like these 3 students was good. The works was good. So I have mentioned some suggestion to rotate the UVs and fix the UVs for some guys and some to just fix the model a little bit. So do that also. And the students who are still pending to submit their assignment, don't worry, you will be getting a lot of time today also. Okay, so take time and complete your assignment. Okay, so I'll give you one more activity that you have to complete once you have finished your assignment. Okay, so I'll give you one asset which is a bit complicated. Okay, no need to worry. A little bit complicated one I'll give you. So everyone have to take the same asset and you have to create a lesson like the same way you have did signboard. Okay, so you have to create a lesson about that asset also. So I'll pick one random asset from here which looks a bit complicated and I will tell you. Once you have complete your assignment, you have to complete the lesson that will be created by that asset. So you are on your own now. You are like free to create a lesson by your own because I already seen like you have to change it. So you guys know how to create a lesson. So in the same way, I will pick this motivator. Okay, so note it down. This is your mini project. Okay, so just create a lesson using Medivator. Like you can go to my workspace, the same steps that you have followed to create your signboard. like this is mine. Go to asset and search for Medivator. Okay, so you will get that. Then create your round lesson, like your mini project. So that will be your mini project. So complete the assignment of the day, like yesterday's assignment. Just take time and complete that also. Okay, someone was saying something. Okay, so those who have laptop, they have only published. So in college computer, we can't. So okay, I can't ID, so it's okay if I use others. Mm-hmm. No table published. We're trying, but we have some issue. It's not. Okay, these are problems. Mainly, it will take some time, some time to get uploaded. Okay, so if you still load, either it is 10 minutes or okay, so it will get uploaded. Those who still are not able to hour, okay, that's too much. Okay, in our set, there's no other access to create lesson. Um, you can, I think you already have the access has been given. Just go to my workspace. Now here you have lessons, assets, and playlist. Okay. So when you go to lessons, you'll only see whatever the lessons you have created, like no one else's, but your individual asset you can see here. On the assets page, then you'll assets. For an example, I will search Medivators here. Medivators. Enter. Okay, no asset has been found. Just search for the category, physics or anything. Okay, I think you only have this much assets. Physics, mathematics, geography, chemistry. Now let's go to biology, science. Okay, then we have to change our pick. So I will just select something related to physics. We can see what and all are here. Like in library page, can you guys see these assets?
Yes, sir.
You can see these assets, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just select it like this. I think the lesson has been created like earlier. Okay, that's admin privilege. Okay, give me some time. I will figure it out which one will be your mini project. Okay, and I will send a message to your WhatsApp group like which asset you have to choose. Remaining, I will. It's showing only mine. Okay, that is your lesson, Zainanda. It's not your asset. Assets will be in assets page. Okay, it won't be in lessons page.
No, sir. I checked it, sir.
Okay, is it there?
No, sir.
It's not there. Okay, give me some time. I will connect with Manchu Sagar and I will confirm that also. And those who are facing the problem to upload or publish, I will tell Manju Sagar that also because he has to give you access for the mail. As far as my knowledge, he has provided everyone like the access to Yon XR, like for the publishing access, everyone is having like everyone can submit publication request. He have added that. Maybe some other issue will figure it out and will let you guys know. And Kiran was saying he waited 1 hour. Okay, Kiran, that's too much. I will that also have to have published in college computer. Okay, this problem is because of the access allowance only. So those who have the access, they can publish right away, no problem. In our class, there's no access to create lesson. Waited a whole day to publish. Facing the same problem, I guess. Those who are using the college systems. Okay, I will. Number one using computer have no one who are using computer have published. Okay, so you are mentioning about college computers, right, Nikhil? Yes, sir. Okay, okay. So I will notify that also. Give me some time. I will let you know through WhatsApp. And remaining, your mini project, I will mention there also. I will refresh it once again. If anybody has sent me any other works. Okay, no one posted recently. Here also I will check. Okay, so the review session will be that's it because I only got this much. Okay, so those who are pending to complete the assignment, please just complete the assignment and publish it. Okay, Girish, you're sending me assignment unwrap. Okay, we'll check that later. Okay, so complete your assignment. Meanwhile, I will just send you the details about your mini project in WhatsApp group. Okay. Once you have completed your assignment, just complete that one also, the mini project, and remaining thing we'll sort it out meanwhile. And by 3:30, we will connect again to wind up our session. Okay, that time the remaining things, Manju Sagar will let you know all the other details like details about power user and your best performer and your status and all. Manju Sagar will let you know about. Okay, so that will be remaining 3:30. So you have a lot of time now to complete your assignment and to practice also. Start your mini project. Okay, the submission date we will let you know. Okay, so everybody concentrate and complete your assignment. Okay, so that's it for the session now. Okay, so start practicing, so, start exploring the platform, just do the logins like properly, like for each and every session we were doing the attendance, so do the logins like regularly. Don't log out from the Eon XR platform. Once you get logged out, please log in again. Okay, so this will help you through your power user program. Okay, remaining all, we will connect again by 3:30 and we'll let you know. So this is our session, like a last session. The review session and the training session is like a winding up today. Okay, so see you guys by 3:30. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir.